The next problem says, shade in the tens or the ones on the place value chart below to show which digit you looked at to help you put the pair of numbers in order from greatest or from least to greatest. So we've got two different, let me get my pen. We've got two different sets of numbers, okay? Our first set of number is this one, 22 and 29. What it wants you to do is it wants you to shade in either the tens for both numbers or the ones for both numbers, telling me which one you helped look at to figure out which one is greater or which one is smaller, okay? So if you looked at the tens, here's what you're going to do. You're going to shade in the tens here and the tens here. Now, I'm not saying that's the answer. I'm just showing you that's what you do. And then you would go to the next problem and you would do the same thing. If you looked at the tens, you're going to shade in the tens for both numbers. Or if you looked at the ones, you'll shade in the ones for both numbers.